Good morning from the Nasdaq market site in Times Square, New York. I'm Jay Heller with your market update. Well, yesterday was a very, very ugly day on Wall Street. The Dow Industrials was off about 265 as a whole. The Nasdaq Composite was off 68, and the S&P was lower as well, breaking back below 1100 to the downside, closing at 1089. So again, a lot of selling. Earnings really are a mix on Wall Street right now. We're seeing a lot of companies coming on the top line, beating on the EPS front, but very disappointing on the revenues. And that's going to attribute to the downfall this morning. So the futures are heading down right now. The Dow is off about 75 in the pre-market. The Nasdaq futures are off about 19, and the S&P futures are pointing to a lower opening by 10. A lot of that has to weigh on Cisco Systems. Everybody was looking for a pretty bullish number coming out of them. Now, Cisco was looking for 42 cents on the top line. They came in at 43. But again, beating on the top line, disappointing on the bottom line. So coming in light on the revenues, that stock is trading off about 7% in the pre-market. Now, Cisco, they actually missed on their product sales. So their services came in line. Product sales a little bit light, about 8.81 billion versus 8.82 billion. And again, going forward, we're starting to see a little bit cause for concern, a little bit of a slowdown in this recovery that we've been seeing. And again, on the economic front this morning, initial jobless claims, another big cause for concern, moving higher by another 2,000 up to 484 for the week ending August 7th. So what that's telling you is that we're continuing to see people not gain the jobs back they have lost maybe over the last 12 to 18 months. Small companies still not hiring to the bottom line. And we're also seeing some mixed results coming out of the retailer. So Macy's, good earnings earlier in the week. Kohl's trading down this morning, although the numbers were not so bad. We're going to look to JCPenney tomorrow. But again, for the indications that I've been looking at and what I've been reading, looks like they may be calling for a little bit of a missed error as well. So again, pointing to a lower opening, I'm Jay Heller from the Nasdaq market site, and that's all for now.